Start. The present petition has been filed by the petitioner challenging the order dated 27/10/2016 passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal, Chandigarh, whereby the original application filed by the petitioner was dismissed and his prayer for reconsideration of his suitability for the select list for promotion to the post of IAS was rejected. Full stop. Para. Stated briefly, the facts of this case are that the petitioner had filed the original application within bracket OA bracket out before the Central Administrative Tribunal, Chandigarh, claiming that he had joined the state civil service in the year 1994. Full stop. Para. The Government of India, the cadre controlling authority of the IAS cadre under the Indian Administrative Service within bracket appointment by promotion bracket out regulations 1955, had determined 7 vacancies of IAS for Haryana cadre for the year 2011, for filling up by way of promotion from the state civil service. Full stop. As far as the regulations, the select list for promotion to IAS is required to be prepared annually. Full stop. However, no select list was prepared for the year 2011 until the year 2015. Full stop. In the meantime, the petitioner had retired from the state civil service on 30/6/2015. Full stop. Ultimately, the process for filling up the promotion quota vacancies in IAS cadre for the year 2011 for the state of Haryana was initiated, and as per the regulations, candidates 3 times of the vacancy to be filled up were shortlisted for consideration for promotion. Full stop. The name of the petitioner was at serial number 10 in the candidates shortlisted for consideration as per their seniority. Full stop. The meeting of the selection committee was held on 29/10/2015. Full stop. The selection committee did consider the case of the petitioner. Full stop. However, the name of the petitioner was not recommended to be included in the select list. Full stop. It was further claim of the petitioner that since the date of joining the state civil service in the years 1994, all his annual confidential reports within bracket ACRS bracket out are of the grade of code outstanding decode. Full stop. The selection committee has wrongly downgraded the assessment and categorization of the petitioner from single code outstanding single decode to single code very good single decode. Full stop. As per the petitioner, this downgrading was arbitrary, and this was resorted to only to ensure that the other candidates who were less meritorious than the petitioner as per their ACRS/service record get selected. Full stop. Still further grievance of the petitioner was that one of the candidates included in the zone of consideration had already expired before the meeting of the selection committee. Full stop. Therefore, his name could not have been included in the list of candidates to be considered. Full stop. Over.